How are we gonna skate on that?
And it works!
Don't hold it.
I feel like it'll be really hard to snap.
Nothing.
All right, guys, we are here today. We're here to do a 24-hour challenge. Well, I'm here. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, but Aaron will be, and nobody else is here to be able to soak this besides myself and Dan. So we're gonna do this. But in this cooler, we have dry ice pellets, and we're gonna soak a skateboard in dry ice for 24 hours. Probably should have gloves on, probably. Wow, look at that. No, I really want to make a dry ice bomb before I leave. Right. But I'm going to find a complete somewhere or put one together.
I already did that.
You already put one together? Yeah. Sick. And we're gonna put it in this cooler, which should be full of nothing but poisonous air. What skateboard did you pick out? Wait.
I think you need the other gloves.
This is all we have.
No, Kevin's gloves.
So, we're gonna put hot water. How much are we doing?
I don't know.
Oh! Yo!
Alright, keep going, keep going.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, it's stuck in there. It's just water. I don't know why I did that. Wow, this is so cool. You can't. It's boiling.
Whoa.
Whoa! I think we should add. I'm gonna put this in there. We should probably do another bucket of hot water.
Get more water?
Yeah. Here we go.
Goodbye, skateboard.
You ready?
It just goes.
It's making its way out. It's good. 24 hours. It is 3 o'clock. You guys gotta film this video at 3 o'clock.
Here, you need these.
What? How are we gonna skate on that? This might be the best science experiment we've ever done. What is the science behind dry ice? Why is it called dry?
Because it is carbon dioxide, which is a gas. And so when it melts or thaws, it goes back into gas, not a liquid. So it is dry.
Nothing you said made any sense. Did it to anybody? It's gas, not liquid. So when it's liquid, it's not gas.
So like if you freeze water and it melts, it goes back into water.
When you freeze water and it melts, it goes back into water, okay?
Which is wet.
Okay, yeah.
Gas is not wet.
Okay.
You know that's how you make a dry ice bomb, right?
Is that a thing?
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
You guys. Just lick it. No, it's gonna explode.
Yeah, don't hold it.
Oh, dude, it's gonna blow.
I mean, what?
Bruce. Let's skate it. And it works. First try, first kickflip. I'm not scared. Oh, dude, it's pretty good. I'd like to introduce you guys to Mowgli.
What's up, everyone?
You might know him in such movies as The Jungle Book. Go ahead. Give it a spin. All right. Any trick you want. Oh my.
It's like you're on ice, you know?
Look at the trucks. It's so weird. First try! Alright. I thought it would slide since it's like ice. Heel flip? Wait, I need this. A gentle Uzi.
Think I'll break it?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grind.
Grind the trucks. What are you doing? Are you putting all of that in the bottle?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, Luke, wait. Here, come over here. Let's just do this real fast.
Ow!
If we're gonna...
Ow!
Okay, let's put it in a funnel.
Yeah, all you are gonna get. You're
Huh?
gonna get deaf.
Well, I have to cover it, right?
How do I get it in all at the same time? If I were you, I would everyone go outside because.
Bro, it's.
Alright,
Here you go. Plug your ears. Uh-oh.
I don't think it's in.
Not enough.
Alright.
No, not outside.
Man,
I
this
think
looks
you need,
sick.
I think you need more in there than that. That was a really good explosion. Chloe, we need you to get us some more bottles. Well, now that there's water literally everywhere, let's Well, this is weird. So this truck is like thawed. This one is still like frozen ice age. So let me get a grind on this. Yeah, boy. It's good. Yeah, boy. Took you all day, but you did it. All right, one last trick. Dang it. Gee, there's ice on the nose.
Yeah.
Woo! Should we freeze it again? Can you get me some hot water, young lads? All right, let's put this in there. I just want to see, okay. So look, perfectly fine skateboard. Nothing wrong with it, little ice there. Boom. So how long has it been? 15 seconds? You think it's frozen?
It's starting.
We need more hot water. Okay. What is that?
It's not the feel of the bread, it's about the sound.
Yeah, I was gonna say close it for a second while Luke's getting in the water. Maybe
Maybe that'll help. Are those Drano bottles still outside?
I think so.
Like, let's
Oh.
explode that.
Oh no.
Is that all you had? Watch it just explode!
Oh, what if we...
Dry ice skateboard. I'm gonna ollie on it. Go ahead. I have to. I can't do this. You know what I mean? You buy a slow motion camera and something explodes, you're exploding it in slow motion. Did he really put those in there? Do you think this will blow up though?
Yeah.
That's kind of a lot. Who is willing to screw it on?
I'll do it.
For real?
Yeah.
All right.
Get outside. Here's hot water.
Yeah, let's go outside.
Are you getting my good side?
Which,
No, that is my good side.
Here's you gotta try and throw it up and make it land right here.
I'll try to, right here. You ready, guys?
Yeah.
So you want me to do it?
I'm scared.
Oh, I can do it.
Oh, it's fine.
oh jeez.
Perfect right around the logo. Boom, straight off. That's really weird. Science experiment number 283.
So, how many bottles have you exploded in your life? couple thousand, give or take.
So what's your trick? Like,
That's my trick.
yeah.
I mean, never look someone in the eyes. Yeah, that's
Always look off in the distance.
I go to the ice gym every day.
Never try any of this at home.
Unless you're cool and you want a lot of views.
Don't listen to anything they say.
How is that?
Tight.
It's not going on.
I told you. Oh, I think we need more.
It's gonna explode.
No, throw it.
Are you kidding me?
Throw it higher. Should I throw it again?
I'll go.
Yeah,
Step on
you
it.
go. Go on.
No, it's
I hear it.
Should I go grab it?
Yeah. No.
no,
Yeah, grab it and shake it.
no. Look at this.
It's going.
So you can see the blade.
Oh, dude, it is so ready. Yeah, the skateboard maybe.
No, AK, no.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
That was so loud. Bro.
Well, that's all that's left. Well, let's go pull the skateboard out and do some tricks. Artifacts. Yeah. I'm glad you weren't there for that one. It's really scary. It really is a lot more ice than there was.
This part of the ice is gripping.
It's fully frozen on top. It's just like the ice skateboard, only more frozen. Oh, dang it! I'm sorry, Mom. It's all come to this, and I can't land a kickflip in ice. And I'm from Montana. Give me some dry ice. That's what I need. Now if I fall, I'll fall right in there. Oh, boy! Let's go! Give her a run. Yeah, boy! Go! I mean, I guess we can just break the ice off.
Do you think it'd be harder to break the board?
That's what we're gonna test. All right, kickflip. Go ahead.
Oh, I had that.
Go to the mini ramp. See what you got.
Let me snap it. I feel like it'll be really hard to snap.
How does it snap?
Ow.
Wow. So slippery. Did it make the board better or worse? Better. Really? It's better. Nose blunt, first try, $10.
Deal? Aw. Rent money.
That's a good deal.
So slippery. With this thing, like if you land, it's just.
Yeah!
get out.
Dude, how did you even drop in on this? That's where it's deadly.
It's like when you're like just like this on the board.
I almost fell trying to push. For Kelly. The tradition with the 24-hour board is we throw it against the wall as hard as we can, and then we focus it. Where's the button? I like the way he thinks. Nothing. Literally nothing. Go ahead. Give everything you got. Did you do the other side? That side. Flip.
No.
I mean,
Nothing.
I don't know what's in that ice, but it's good. Thank you. I'm good.
One more freeze. Okay, go ahead. One more freeze. No. His foot literally went as high as his face.
Should I try to actually? Or no?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's what I thought was gonna happen.
No way, huh?
Who's tough? Uzi, get out here. No.
Gotta go 2 feet,
Nothing,
maybe.
dude. No, go. I'm telling you, the dry ice made it incredibly strong.
Shing! Probably blow out my knee again.
Uzi's like, I'll do it. I mean, if you want me to do it. Oh, I told you.
Oh my god!
Nothing.
Look at the
It
grip.
is literally indestructible.
That's probably the only board that hasn't broken. Besides like rebar.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Prep yourself.
Oh my gosh. I
Nothing.
clacked my heels.
Troy, Luke, you're a young guy. Kelly, step right up. Step right up. World's strongest skateboard. That's. Your shoe's coming off.
Yeah, I think we'll have to anyway.
Okay.
Oh, there's a crack.
What'd you say about my mom? What'd you say? She's a good woman. And she makes good food.
That's what I'm saying!
What? What? I never seen it break clean off like that though.
No.
Yeah, it just separated. You broke the ice.
The trucks are still frozen.
Trucks are completely frozen.
Wow.
There we go.
My hero.
Send it!
I'm thinking.
Send it!
Go ahead, Troy.
Troy, what are you doing?
There we go. Not from around here.
Oh, I took my wood. I'm gonna go make a fire.
From the army.
I love how it breaks apart in pieces.
It is really weird.
Really kill somebody.
Okay, break the nose off.
Love is always the answer. I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Out of all the ones that we've done, we've soaked the skateboard in bleach for 24 hours, Drano for 24 hours, Coca-Cola for 24 hours. This one held up the best. Leave it in the comments below what we should soak a board in next. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you need to learn how to skateboard. It will be really fun. It's your time. Let's go.